the first profit strategy that I'm going to share this week is about using them for sales pages. Now, I got a lot of feedback from people saying, Pam, I love when you just show us how you use it. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how drag and drop easy it is. And then if you want to go and grab it, you can go and grab it. So I use them a lot on my sales pages, as you can see, and then tell people how they can use them. So putting them on a sales page, doesn't matter what shopping cart that you use, is a really great way to make your digital product offers more attractive to the people that you are charging $100, $200, $1,000 or more for whatever you're selling. Another place that I use them, which my women love the most, is they don't feel comfortable when they're doing videos to fill the whole screen. Now, if you're someone who's a regular on YouTube and you have a video podcast, that may be fine for you. But my over 40 women don't feel comfortable taking up the full screen. And I said to them, well, here's a great way for you to Deluxify it. And I said, do you feel more comfortable if you're a little bit smaller? And they said, absolutely. So here's another way that you can use it, whether you do webinars, whether you do videos on YouTube, whether you do tutorials for your courses. It looks really, really professional, and it's all drag and drop. So that's another way that you can use them. And then as you can see here, I'm using them to Deluxify what they get in the bundle. Now let me show you just how easy it is to use. So you can pick whatever background you want. So if I have given you some backgrounds in the bundle, but if that doesn't suit you, then you can create and use your own bundle, and then just go and grab the individual laptop, iPad, computer screen, iPhone, whatever it is that you want onto that background. So there's two ways that you can use this. So let me show you. Here's a blank page. I'm going to go to my brand kit and I show you, yes, how to put them in the brand kit. So I could pick one of these. So I know that I want this to be a video. And when you see that it's grouped, it means you can have a video. So I would get this one and I'd cut it and I'd put it on the page here. All right, so I'm going to build that over here. I'm going to put that over here. And this one, you could only have an image. And this one, you can have a video, because you can see that it's groupable. So then I can go to my uploads. I can go to my videos and put a video in that one and drag it there, and it snaps in. And for this one, and drag and drop that one in there, and that's where you would put an image. Okay, so that's perfect. And then you can go and choose whatever background you want. And I'm going to grab that microphone. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go edit, and I'm going to go magic grab, and then I'm going to be able to have that in the front. So I'm going to grab that microphone, and then I'm going to grab it. And that way I can have the microphone and design it to be however I want. So I put that back in the background, replace background, and now I can have the microphone right there. How cool is that? So you can design them however you want, no matter what your branding is. And if you want to go and grab it, I'll have the link above or in the description below. And if you have a question, just leave it below. I can't wait to see what you create.